What's a Saturday morning without warm blueberry muffins? In this video, I'm going to share with you my kid-approved, simple, tasty recipe. Let's get started. First, we'll mix together the dry ingredients. Here you will need 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoons baking powder, pinch of salt, now using a whisk, stir it all together. Separately, we'll mix the wet ingredients. 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of safflower oil, 'll start mixing the eggs and safflower oil so the eggs are thoroughly scrambled. All right. To that, add 1 cup of honey, stir that in. And finally, add 1 cup of whole milk yogurt. This is unsweetened whole milk yogurt. That's why we added a whole cup of honey. Stir together. Right. Now, combine the wet to the dry. And this is known as the muffin method, which is perfect since we're making muffins. Now you just want to get the flour to combine. You don't want to overmix. There. Sure we have all the flour mixed. All right. Now add 1 cup of blueberries. I prefer to use the frozen blueberries so that my muffins don't turn all purple. Fold gently, and they're still going to turn slightly purple. All right. Now we're ready to scoop into the muffin tins. If you want to add a little of that professional baker touch to it, you can throw some sparkling sugar on top before you put it in the oven. Now you're going to bake this in a 375-degree oven for about 18 minutes or until a toothpick put in the center comes out clean.